Good afternoon everyone, I'm here at Prisma Residences at ngayon itutur ko kayo sa aming 3-bedroom model unit, 83 square meter. Tara, pasok tayo. If we can see here sa right side ko, nandito yung ating living and dining area. Apaka-spacious niya. And sa left side ko naman is ang kitchen natin. Upon turnover, meron na siyang granite countertop, overhead cabinet, and cabinet. And dito naman sa left side ko is yung common bathroom and toilet natin. Napaka-spacious din niya. Tara. Naka-separate din yung ating cabinet for washing machine. Bedroom 3. And bedroom 2. And here is our master's bedroom. May sarili na siyang toilet and bathroom here. Napaka-spacious din niya. And also yung balcony natin. Tara, pakita mo yung view. For more details, model unit viewing, and sample computation, please send me your message here in my contact number. Thank you!